Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering documents and opening the provider portal. This saves time. Have your photo ID and a recent bill ready because verification is immediate. Once logged in, select the Create Broadband ID or Register option. Providers use different labels. Make sure you use a stable connection and a desktop browser for full options. If asked for account number, copy it exactly from your bill. This step establishes identity and links service, so don't skip accuracy. Once you reach verification, follow prompts to prove identity. Providers may ask for account number, last four of SSN, or a PIN. Provide exactly the values on file to avoid delays. After verification, create your broadband ID, use at least 10 characters and mix letters, numbers, and a symbol to protect access. Next, set recovery options, a current email and phone, and pick security questions you can recall. This prevents lockouts and allows fast password resets later. You finish by confirming registration. Enter the code sent by email or SMS and click the validation link. This activates the broadband ID. Once confirmed, log in immediately and test account access and a quick speed check because that verifies provisioning. If you can't log in, try clearing your browser cache, restarting the router, or using the password reset flow. If those fail, contact provider support with your account number. That troubleshooting step resolves most problems quickly and gets you online.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.